how it feels to chew 5 gum.
Cigarettes and nipples? Listen, I don't smoke cigarettes and my nipples are plenty clean. Immediately hard nips. Maybe I do need a cigarette and nipple cleaners.
You've reached your limit on talking. Shut the
undercover, right? Yeah, nah, that's an ST. I'm telling you, ban civilians from Ford Explorers. I do not care. You know what's crazy? This straight right here is the perfect area to get a top speed run in. Probably the smoothest part of the entire area of the state. But there's just so many freaking cups because it's so straight. It's insane. I should do it anyway. Your car does not sound like that, bruh. Stop playing with me, bruh. One of one exhaust. No, not right here, not right here. They might report me over here.